It is time. It's time. You have to take a guess. What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's a boy.
Oh, there he is.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, Aviana. You see?
Oh, so cute. Is that River? Is that River? Oh. What do you think the baby's gonna be?
It's gonna be a boy. I am 99.9%.
Wow. It's gonna be a girl.
Erin?
You can't say.
Oh yeah, Erin knows. Alex?
Girl.
Luke?
Boy.
Boy?
It's gonna be a girl.
Okay. Girl or boy?
Boy. Definitely.
Definitely a girl.
It's like 50-50. Everyone is split.
Is her belly higher or lower?
It is higher.
Girl.
Oh! Kate! We have science. What do you think it's gonna be? Boy or girl?
Boy. Well, I
A
don't
lot
know.
of boys.
There's like 7 boys in this family. So I think it's gonna be a turning point where it's gonna be all girls.
What do you think?
It's tough. I'm kind of feeling the girl though. I'm kind of with Gary.
You're all
on
boys.
that.
And I feel like it's just gonna flip flop where like it's all gonna be girls like in this next wave, which I hope not. But like,
And you think it's gonna be a boy?
I have a feeling it's a boy, but
I really hope.
everyone's telling me it's a girl.
Cool shirt, dude.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's a boy.
We've been asking everyone. I'm excited.
Aviana, what do you think?
What do you think?
She wants a girl cousin, I think. You want a girl cousin?
Mom, how do you want this? Just take a picture.
I'm so excited. Hurry up.
What is she doing? We just need a knife.
Just gotta find the knife.
Here we go. Scary, you ready?
Wait, don't look at it until you pull the pink piece out. There we go, Jess. Here we go.
Wait.
Scared.
Wait.
Oh my god, what is
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not
I
looking.
think it's pink.
It's pink. Oh my god, it's a girl. It's a girl.
I told you to watch.
Another granddaughter.
What's the name? Wow, I'm excited. I know.
Can you believe it?
No, I can't.
Alright, what's the
Well,
name?
now we don't know the name because we've been waiting for a name.
What's the name?
Penelope.
Oh my god. Are you excited? What a
Baby girl. What do you think of the name Penelope? Penelope Walker. What do you think of Isla?
You with the scoreboard.
Yeah!